as cities grow rapidly and the demand for quick deliveries increases. Traditional food delivery services in Kowloon City are struggling. Issues like traffic congestion, rising labor costs, and logistical chaos have become major obstacles. To tackle these problems, our team has developed an innovative delivery solution, a rider drone collaborative system that brings together the flexibility of human couriers and the efficiency of drones. Let me walk you through how we pinpointed the best delivery locations. First, we carefully analyze historical order data from Foodpanda to identify exactly where restaurants and customers are concentrated. By studying tens of thousands of merchant and resident coordinates, we applied clustering algorithms to identify 10 key restaurants and residential areas. But we didn't stop there. To ensure our drones could operate safely, we used LiDAR point cloud data to closely examine the building layouts, verifying there was ample airspace in these areas for drone flights. Once we had clear locations for restaurants and customers, we moved on to finding the ideal places for drone hubs. Using a greedy algorithm, we strategically identified 6 drone hubs that effectively cover all targeted locations. Next came the careful planning of drone flight paths. We created a precise 3D map of the area using open-source data and divided the airspace into 30 meters cubic grids. Then, employing Dijkstra's algorithm, we mapped out the shortest and safest routes from each drone hub directly to residential areas. When comparing our drone delivery system with traditional walking delivery, we discovered an exciting outcome. Delivery times along critical routes were significantly reduced. This is our Rider Drone Collaborative Delivery System, an innovative and efficient solution poised to revolutionize rapid delivery services in Kowloon City. We firmly believe this system will not only enhance delivery efficiency and reduce operational costs, but also greatly improve customer experiences. By elevating overall industry efficiency, it will stimulate Hong Kong's economic growth, generate new employment opportunities, and truly advance urban logistics into a smarter, more modern era.